Hey guys, in today's video I want to share with you guys the stuff that I got from the company called Brandless. So the box came in like this. This is that Brandless right here. I think I got everything in here. So I am doing this in the bathrooms. Yeah. I'm doing this in the bathroom, so because I think I have more good lighting in here. Alright, I hope you guys can see a little, but I'm gonna open them all. And I just got them too, so why is my camera like slanted? I am not getting this set up. So this scissor is for my haircut, but whatever tools I got, I use it. So it comes in a box like this. So these are all the stuff that I got. So let's open them all. Oh, they come in a Ziploc bag. Look at this. Ooh, these Ziplocs are very nice too, and I can keep them. See? Yes, very nice. So I just did a makeup tutorial and I have everything laying in front of me in the sink. So this is what it looks like. So the first thing I got is this virgin coconut oil, and this is $3, which is really nice. The reason I got this is because for my hair. Since I bleached my hair's been going crazy. So I got this for my hair. So I'm gonna give this a try. Alright. This is nice that they come in all like Ziploc bag. I always need one. And next, this one is, oh yeah. This one is for soap, gel hand soap. So next item is this bundle that I got. I don't remember the price, but like I said, each of this cost $3. So I got them in bundles, and everything that I got, I will link. I will put all the links down below, so you guys can go check out if you want. This is the bundle that I got, and let's open each. This one is facial scrub, and this one is night cream, moisturizer, sheer butter, which is nice. This is cute bottle. Dude, I'm telling you, I really like their packaging. The color, it just like catches your eyes. This one is facial lotion unscented, which is good because you don't need scented lotion. And this one is facial toner with witch hazel. I'm not going to read all of the stuff on here because I'm just going to show you guys like this. And if you are interested in, you can go check in the link down below. This is a body wash. Oh yeah, I need body wash. Oh, good thing I got this one. This one is green tea and aloe. I love aloe vera. I use aloe vera for like moisturizer too for my face. So this is what it looks like. This is a big bottle too. So in comparison, like this. These are nice. And then you put them back in the bag. And next item is, oh yeah, and then I also got round cotton. I don't know why, but this one is organic, hypoallergenics, and brandless. So, like I said, $3. So I just got this one. Oh, this one is organic too. Up next, I got this lip balm. Does this have SPF? Oh, so this one has SPF 15, and I need one chapsticks. I always need a chapstick. I'm just gonna try this one out. The packaging are, oh my god, I cannot stress enough. They are so cute. This one is in coconut, so, and then SPF 15, which is really good. Here's it. Alright, up next, food items. So, I got a bunch of stuff. This one is coconut and almond bars. This looks like this. I swear, I don't know what's going on with me, but I've been like hungry all the time. So, early morning, I'll be hungry, and like 2 hours later, I'll be hungry again. So, I bought myself this coconut almond bar, and they come in three packs, 3 bars. So it looks pretty big. Let's open it. Oh wow, that's good. Okay, so it looks like that. I can't wait to try this. I love coconut, so. And this one is coffee bar fudge mocha. Something like that. It looks like this. And this one is peppered beef jerky. I got this for my husband since I don't eat meat. I got this for him so he can try it out, see if he like it. And this one is dark chocolate fruit and fruit mix. Fruit. I cannot say the word. This one is dark chocolate fruit and nut trial mix. So it looks like that. So, and up next I got toasted coconut chips. Oh my god, I didn't know that it was gonna be this big. Did they all like, oh my god. Oh, let me remind you, this is $3, okay, right here, $3. And I'm telling you, the packaging, the packaging is so cute. This is sweet. This coconut is sweetened. So it looks like this. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this. Let me know if you guys wanna. Let me know if you guys wanna see me try all these food, and if you do, I will do a video about it. So up next, this is toasted coconut cookie thins. Like I said, I love coconut, so it looks like this. Up next, oh, this one is another beef jerky that I got. It's beef jerky, sweet and spicy. Sweet and spicy beef jerky. So that is all that I got. Yep. So no more. I really like this lip balm. I feel like I have like this pale lip colors on it, but ew, ew. It kind of tastes bitter. I don't know why, but I still like it because it's coconut and it's very moisturizing, and it's SPF 15. So, and it's only $3 for 2. So yeah, like I said, I will link everything down in the description box, and if you guys interested, go check it out. Everything is $3, and they got like almost everything in there, like personal care. They don't have like makeup, eyeshadow, of course, but they got like household stuff, kitchen, personal care for baby, toilet paper, like organic stuff, like vegan, cruelty-free organic stuff. And yeah, this is called Brandless. This is called, yeah. So I hope you guys this mini unboxing video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my other videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.